James Nance?
Yes.
You are suing Joseph Perry and Riverdale Senior Apartments, represented here by the owner, Joseph Perry. Okay. For $183, the money that you spent when your car got towed, which you feel was their fault. Talk to me. What happened?
Well, on September 15th, I was wakened by a phone call from my building manager in my senior residence stating...
What's a senior residence?
It's a senior living center.
How old are you?
I'm 63.
What are you? That used to sound, I bet you think that's old, don't you? Like, how old do you have to be able to live in this, like, is it government subsidized? Like, how does it work?
Similar. It's 62 and older.
62 and older. Mm-hmm. And how old did you say you were?
63. 63.
All right, so what happens to you? They switch, my understanding is that you guys switched tow companies, correct?
That's correct.
And let me ask him first, and then you tell me how it ended up. When you switched tow companies, what kind of notice did you give your customers, your tenants?
On September 12th, we had a resident meeting.
But are resident meetings mandatory?
No, they're not, but there were notices published.
Where?
In the lobby, in the elevator, notifying that everybody needed to have
Did you mail anything to everybty?
No, no, because everybody's not.
All right, so you find out for the first time that you need a new sticker, how?
On September 15th at 9:45 in the morning.
15. How do you find out? You get a call? You get a letter?
I got a phone call. They called me and told me you need to come downstairs immediately. We've changed the stickers to go on your car. You need to come get your sticker or your car is going to be towed.
Okay.
So I get up in the morning. I have quite a few health issues, so it gets tough for me in the morning, but I just jumped up, you know, threw on just anything to go downstairs without doing the normal, you know, get yourself together. And I went down and spoke with the building manager. And she let me know that, again, that I need to put the sticker on the car because they've changed towing companies.
Okay. So what did you do? Did you put the sticker on the car?
Well, she told me they would be coming that evening, okay? Of course, there was no real expedience in her voice. Like,
I don't know. I wrote down when you said you have to immediately change your sticker or the car will be towed. I wrote it down.
Okay.
That sounded pretty, I mean, but why wouldn't you just go to your car and put the new sticker on? Why would you wait?
Because she said they would not be coming until that evening.
How does she know when the tow guys are going to do their drill and drive by?
Well, of course, it's surprising.
Does she admit that she said to him, take your time?
No.
No.
Just the opposite.
Okay. You have an affidavit from her?
I do, Your Honor.
Right. And the whole point was exactly how you just testified a second ago when you slipped and said, she said, come down here immediately because we're switching tow companies. That on September 18th, she says.
That's the date I have, Your Honor. I also
what day was a tow?
It was on the 15th.
Okay. Can I see the tow papers?
Sure.
Okay. I noticed some tenants had still not picked up their new sticker, and either me or Betty called each tenant to remind them to pick it up. He came to the office, picked up his sticker, and we told him, along with everybody else who picked up the sticker, they needed to put the sticker on the car or you're going to be subject to tow, which was acknowledged in writing by the tenant per the attached exhibit. Okay, so you picked it up on the 16th, but according to them, it was towed on the 15th. The 18th has to be a wrong day because you did pick it up the day they called. So she has to just be mistaken about the 18th. Well, this is interesting, but wait a second. That's important, you see, because here on the please complete the required parking and liability agreement, the tenant writes his name and it says September 18th. Wait, but I know the tow was on the 15th, so this isn't making sense.